How to register to Chase Bank online account. So if you want to register to Chase Bank online account, then first of all open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and now on the search bar search for Chase Bank. And after searching, on the first search you will have www.chase.com. Click on that. And now to create an account, you can click on sign up now. And first you have to have 3 documents. Like first one is your social security number or your tax ID number, and the next one is any account or application number, and the last is access to your phone or email. But if you have already created an account, then you can click on here sign in now, and then you can simply enter your username and password, and you can click on sign in. But if you forgot your username and password, you can simply click on forgot username or password, and you can reset or recover it. So this is how you sign in. But if you want to register, then you need to have the 3 important documents. If you don't have access to these 3, then you can't create your account. So under the first, you have to enter your account card or application number, and then you have to enter your social security number. But if you don't have your social security number, you can click on no social security number, and then you have to enter your date of birth. So on the next, you have to create your username. The username must be at least 8 to 32 characters long, and then it must contain at least 1 letter, 1 number, and must not contain any special characters. So keep that in mind, and then enter this information. And after entering your information, you can click on next. But if you want to choose a business account, you can click on this, or you can also choose your commercial account. For now, I'll be choosing personal. And after entering this information, click on next, and on the next step you have to have a account or application number, and after entering that you can click on next, and this is the last step. Here you have to enter your phone number or your email address, and then you will get a code, and after entering that code you will be successfully registered to Chase Bank online account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.